Hello friends, welcome back to our channel Kids Kitchen. Today we are going to make palak paneer, which is famous Indian dish. Palak means spinach, which is good source of iron. Iron is an important part of red blood cells, which hold and carry oxygen to make energy from the food we eat. Iron also is needed to keep the immune system healthy. And as you know, in this pandemic situation, we need immunity badly to fight against COVID. And paneer means cottage cheese. It has a high amount of protein. Proteins are the building blocks of our body. Human body contains around 1 lakh different proteins made by different combinations of 20 amino acids. Let's have something healthy today.
So, for that we need tomatoes, green chilies, garlics, onions, chopped and boiled spinach, cottage cheese. Add all of them to a grinder. Grind all of them well to make a puree. Add oil to a hot pan. Add cottage cheese. Don't forget to fry them well. Add little ghee. Put it in a bowl or plate. Add some more oil to the pan. Add mustard seeds. Now add cumin seeds. Add 2 condiments. Add 1 clove. Add asafoetida. Add bay leaf. Mix them well. Add onions. Mix them well again. Fry well until the onions become brown. Add turmeric and add red chili powder. Add gram masala. Mix well. Add cottage cheese. Mix them well again. Add puree of spinach which we kept aside. Mix well. Now add a pinch of salt. Add water. You can add the water which was used to make the spinach boil. Serve it hot on a bowl. See, your palak paneer is ready now.
Wow, super. My kids are experimenting with me, but that experiment is good and it's so delicious. You can also practice.